Hello, everyone. Now, today we are going to learn about telling the time, right? So, obviously, what does it mean? We are going to learn how to distinguish time. All right. So, as you can see, what is this? It looks like a clock, right? So, let's go to the next page. Telling the time. We have the left side of the time, you would call it two, the one that colored red, and the one that is on the right side, which is colored green, we would call it past. Okay, so let's start by learning the names of each part. Okay, so the first one would be 5 past. Okay, the second one would be 10 past. The next one would be a quarter past. Then we have 20 past, and then 25 past, and the next one is half past. Okay, what's the next one? This one is going to be 25 to 22, quarter to 10 to 5 to o'clock. All right, so what are we going to do is we are going to tell the time. Okay, so you are going to see and we are going to learn how to tell the time. All right, so let's start. What's the time? It's 1 o'clock. Okay, as you can see, why is it 1 o'clock? Because the hour arrow is on 1 and the minute arrow is on 12. So when the minute arrow, this the longer one, the longer arrow is the minute arrow. All right. So by it, we can tell the time. Okay. So let's go to the next one. So how about this one? What do you think this one is? Okay. We have our arrow is on 9. All right. Remember, we have to focus on the hour as well. And then what does it? Well, what's this one? When the minute arrow is on 1, what do we say here? Remember, 2 and past. 2 is on the left and past is on the right. So this here is, it's 5 past 9. Okay, good. Okay, let's try the next one. How about this one? What do we have here? If this one is 5, here we have, that's right, 10. And the right side is past. All right? And then where's the hour arrow? The hour arrow is on 6. So what's the time? The time is, it's 10 past 6. Right? That's right. There you go. Okay, next one. How about this one? Okay, so it's 5, 10, and it's not 15. There's another word for that. I'll give you time. Try to remember. If you don't remember, please skip the video to the start and see the the names of each part on the clock, right? So this part, we the number 3, when the minute is on the 3, we call it quarter. Quarter, okay? And then the hour arrow is on 7. So it's quarter past 7. Very good. If you guessed it, very good. If you didn't, it's okay. Let's practice. That's what I'm here for. Okay. Next one. How about this one? What is this? So we have 5, 10, quarter, and 20. That's right. 20. And how about the hour? The hour is on 2. So it's 20 past 2. That's right. Good job. All right. So, how about this one? The hour is on 11 and the minute arrow is on 5. So, that will be, I'll give you a few seconds to think. Okay. So, 5, 10, quarter, 20, and then 25. It's 25 past 11. There you go. Okay. So how about this one? Remember, how do you call when you cut something in half? It becomes, well, I already said it, half. That's right. So the hour arrow is on 3. It's on 3, right? And then the minute arrow is on 6. So what does it mean? It is half past 3. That's right. Very good. Awesome. The next one. How about this one? How about the left side? When the minute is on the when the minute arrow is on the left side. Let's think. Okay, so it's on 7 and the hour arrow is on 8, right? So how do we say it? Remember? We have 5, 10, quarter, 20, 25, and half. So what 7 would be? It'll be, that's right, it will be 25. So it's 25 to 8. 25 to 8. Very good. How about this one? If 7 is 25, what that means that 8 is, that's right, it's 20. The hour arrow is on 6. So what does it mean? It means it's 20 to 6, right? Yes or no? Yes. It's 20 to 6. Very good. Okay, next one. How about this time? What's the time here? Remember, what's the word? It's not 15. No, it's quarter. That's right. And our arrow is on 5. So that means it's quarter. It's quarter to 5. That's right. Very good. Okay, next one. 10. We have the minute arrow on 10. And what's the minute here? That's right. We have 10 minutes left before it reaches the next circle. Okay, so and then our arrow is on 12. So it's 10 to 12. Very good. Okay, let's start. Next one. It's 10 to 12. And what's the time here? 5. So 5. It's 5 to 4. Awesome. It's 5 to 4. Very good. Now, what are we going to do next is we are going to guess what's the time, meaning you guys have to understand and learn and be able to answer that. Now, what's going to happen here is you have the time and you have to tell me which one is correct. So, what I would like to ask you is to get piece of paper, write the title, please write the date, write the title, which is what's the time. Then you write number 1. And for number 1, it will be this this slide, this time. Then I would like you to write it's, all right? And then choose the correct one. Is it 25 to 3? 25 to 3, or is it 35 to 2? Okay, so what I want you to do is write down the correct answer. If you forgot, you can rewind the video and see the correct name to see which is the correct answer here, all right? So let's start. What's the time? It's 2:35, right? So what I want you to do is write down it's and then the correct answer. So which one is it? Is it number 1 or is it number 2? Okay. Next one. What's the time here? It's 55 to 2 or is it 5 to 3? Okay, take your time. Think. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, what's the time here? It's 20 to 5 or is it 20 to 4? Okay, good. Just a little bit longer. And the next slide. Okay, what's the time here? It's 50 to 10 or is it 10 to 11? Okay, good. And the last one is, what's the time here? Is it a quarter to 6 or is it a quarter to 7? Okay, make sure get that paper ready and write down the answers. Okay? Either I or another teacher will check your answers. Understood? Okay, so you write down the time and then you write the sentence. So you write down the time and then you write down the correct sentence. It's a quarter to 6 or is it's a quarter to 7. All right? Good. Okay, so that'll be it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.